Hello my dear students, I hope all of you are safe and fine. In this video, I will discuss the lesson 3 question answer of class 7. Let us start. Write the function of the following statements or command with example. Let statement, print statement, input statement, go to command. In this question, we have to write the functions of the following commands. So, the answer will be let statement. First, the let statement. This statement assigns the value to a variable. The let statement function is to assign a value to a variable. Next, print statement. This statement displays the output on the screen. The statement is used to display the output on the screen. Input statement. After printing the message, we can accept the input from the user by using this command. By using this command, after printing a message, we can accept the input from the user. Next, go to command. This command is used to shift the control of a program to the specified command. So, the go to command is used to shift the control of a program to a specific command. Next, question number 3a. Differentiate between constants and variables. So, we have to give the difference between the constants and variables. The difference between constants and variables are: constants are the data or values in a QBasic program that remain fixed throughout the program execution. Constants are the data or value in a QBasic program that remains fixed throughout the program execution. On the other hand, a variable is a name given to an area in the computer memory to store data temporarily. On the other hand, the variable is a name which is given to an area of a computer memory to store a data temporarily there. Next, question number B. List the rules for naming a variable. You have to give the rules for naming a variable. The rules for naming a variable are: rule number 1. Variable names can have maximum of 40 characters. A variable name can have maximum of 40 characters. Rule number 2. Both numeric and string variables must begin with alphabets. We have to give both numeric and string variables starting with an alphabet. Rule number 3. Variable names can contain numbers also, but not at the starting position. Variable names can also contain numbers but not at the starting position. Question number 4. QBasic is not a case sensitive language. That is, lower and uppercase characters are considered to be the same. In QBasic is not a case sensitive language. That means the lower capital letter and small letter are same, considered as same. Rule number 5. The variable name must not have any space between. In a variable name, we cannot give any space in between. Rule number 6. Variable names may end with type declaration characters like this. A variable name can end with some characters like this. Question number C. Compare let and input command with the help of examples. Let command assigns the value to a variable. The let command is used to assign a value to a variable. For example, let salary person equal to this, let average equal this, let name equal to learning is fun. This is an example of let statement. On the other hand, input command is used to accept the input from the user. On the other hand, input command is used to accept an input from the user. For example, CLS input enter the name, enter your name, $, input, enter your score in exams, comma, marks, %, print, the name, $, score is marks, %, marks, end. This is the example of a input command. Next, question number D. What is the conditional statement and why it is used? So, what is a conditional statement and why the conditional statement is used? Conditional statement is a statement which checks if a given condition is true or false. Conditional statement is used to check a given condition for true or false. This statement is used when decision making is need to be done. This conditional statement is used when decision making is have to be done. So the question answers are over. I hope all of you have understood. Thank you.